I can feel a sneeze coming on. Oh dear. That splattered my screen, I think. Just clear a little bit. Oh God. These sneezes. Oh God, look, Jordan again. Oh. Oh. This is. Oh. So I finished it. It's nearly finished, I think, but I hate it when I get that locked jaw. I can't talk. It's crazy. There goes the loud one. So I think I've finished. No. Yeah, I think it's finished. No. No. That was louder. So I think I finished. I really hate it when I get a locked jaw. Oh, that gives a lot of pain. Other than that, I don't find my sneezing unusual. They're just part of my life. Love you all. Bye. I'm going.